Namaskar, welcome to vthwealth.com. This is VT Ember. In this video, let us discuss possible IPOs in 2021. Before going ahead with possible IPOs in 2021, let us look at the summary of IPOs that has happened in 2020. These are the IPOs that has happened in 2020. Out of these 15 IPOs, 11 has given a positive return on the listing day itself. Only 4 has given a negative return on the listing day. It means 2020 was a good for listing day gain. Happiest Mind Technologies, Burger Kings India Limited, Mr. Bector's Food Specialities Limited has given positive return of more than 100% on the listing day itself. I have personally invested in some of these IPOs and have got a good return on the listing day. Now let us look at the IPOs, possible IPOs in 2021. Firstly, NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited, is one of the 2 depositories operating in India. Its job is to safekeeping of shares, mutual fund units, bonds, etc. in electronic form. NSDL has more than 2 crore demat accounts. Another possible IPO is Indian Railways Finance Corporation, IRFC. It is a non-deposit accepting infrastructure finance company. IRFC accepts or borrows the money from the financial market and then create assets which are then leased out to the Indian Railways or any entity under Indian Railways. It means it will create an infrastructure for Indian Railways and lease out for the Indian Railways. Another possible IPO in 2021 is Barbecue Nation. Barbecue Nation is a restaurant chain. Barbecue Nation operates 138 outlets in India, 5 outlets in UAE, 1 outlet in Malaysia and 1 outlet in Oman. The chain has a fixed price, all you can eat menu across its restaurants. Another possible IPO in 2021 is National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange. NCDEX is a commodity exchange which has about 82% share of agri-commodities trading in India. Agri-commodities involve spices, oils, oil seeds. These are traded in this exchange. The exchange is professionally managed and has a LIC, NSE, NABARD, Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank among its shareholders. Another possible IPO in 2021 is Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC. LIC is the largest insurance company in India with about 28 crore policies in force, equaling to sum assured of 45 lakh crores. The annual premium received by LIC was 2 lakh crore in 2018-19. LIC has invested over 30 lakh crores as on 31st March 2019. Another possible IPO in 2021 is Bajaj Energy. Bajaj Energy is one of the largest private sector thermal generation companies located in Uttar Pradesh. The company intends to raise around 5,450 crores through the IPO and which will be utilized for enhancing its capabilities. These are the possible IPOs in 2021. 2021 might be a good year for IPOs if we apply and if we get the share allocated. It might be a good opportunity to get a good return on listing day.